It's another delicious day here in the Let's Make Food from Food Kitchen, and today I'm making the perfect grilled cheese. Yes, I said the perfect. Okay, what do I have? 2 slices of my home-baked rye bread. I don't know why I couldn't say rye bread for a second there. Then I have my homemade mayo with the grapeseed oil, and I'm going to take 1 teaspoon and put it in my little dish here. Okay, then I want 1 teaspoon of my Dijon mustard. And we're just going to mix it together. And this is going to give our sandwich a nice little zest flavor, just a zing. Okay, so let's go ahead and put some of this on here. And it doesn't have to be a thick coating. Just a little bit. Okay, and just spread it around. All right, now I have cheeses. Okay, this is a Monterey Jack cheese. Okay. This is a Vermont white cheddar. Happens to be Boar's Head, but Boar's Head didn't have the Monterey Jack or the dill Havarti, which is a very large slice. So I am going to kind of spread this around here. And I'm probably not going to use the whole thing, otherwise it's just going to be overbearing, but I am going to put a little on there. Okay, so now I want to close this up, and I've got some softened butter, about a tablespoon, and I'm going to spread it on this side. My skillet's already heating. Okay. I am going to carefully put that, there we go. All right, then I'm going to butter this other side carefully. And we're gonna let it cook for a couple minutes on each side, get that cheese nice and melted and the bread nice and toasted. Keep an eye on your bread. You want it to get nice and toasted, but you don't want it to burn. So go ahead and check it and flip it when it's ready. This is a good, nice golden crust on here, and that's what we're looking for on both sides. My cheese is starting to melt because we also want all that cheese nice and melty, and with this much cheese, it takes a minute. So if you need to cover it with a lid to kind of help with that, go ahead and do that too. Okay, we are ready to roll with this sandwich. Look at this. That cheese is, I could let a cheese skirt really crisp up on that if I wanted to, but look at that melty, delicious cheese. Okay, what do you think? Should we cut it open? Yeah? Okay. Well, I should have put it there. Hot. Okay, here we go. Look at this. Beautiful melt. Ooh, hot. Should have known better than that, huh? Okay, so it's beautifully melted. I'm gonna let it cool for just a moment before I bite into it. Otherwise you have like cheese lava in your mouth and it hurts. Okay, hopefully it's cooled enough. Here we go. The dill Havarti gives it just a little bit of extra herby flavor. The Dijon mayo mixture, tiny little kick. It's so good. The rye bread, of course, it's so delicious because, you know, I made it. Such a good blend of cheese. Oh, it's just delicious. Thanks for joining me here today in the Let's Make Food from Food Kitchen. From my kitchen to yours, let's make food from food.
That's one board.